understood. You understood?
Yes.
Thank you.
No, just one. I just wanted your lordship to see the Kerala situation as reported by the High Court. Will your lordship kindly see paragraph 7 of the Kerala High Court's affidavit?
Mr. Giri has already pointed that out.
Yeah.
I read out the affidavit.
Yeah, he has read out the affidavit.
Now, what is of importance is, my lord, the statistics given there shows out of 30.
So that was read to us yesterday by Mr. Giri.
Yes. 18.
He has already read it to us, his affidavit.
Right. I just wanted to bring it to your lordship notice again so that it stays with your lordship, because it is important so far as the Kerala rules are concerned. They do not result in the apprehensions which are aired by the amicus. That is what I want to point out.
So that is already pointed out to us by the learned senior counsel appearing on behalf of the High Court of Kerala.
High Court, unfortunately, did not take a specific stand as to whether this should be there or that should be there.
Rightly, because the High Court can't.
You know,
High Court can't, but
why? What is
actual position was pointed out by the counsel.
what is just and fair? The High Court must have the guts to.
How could the High Court afford to take a particular stand that they are promoting?
No,
they are supporting promoting or they are supporting direct?
I will not say that, but it is up to the High Court to take a stand on what is fair and just. We can't avoid that. We can't avoid that responsibility. And that's for the High Court to point out to the court, as they have done in this, and analyze and show that the apprehensions of the amicus are non-existent in Kerala. That is what I wanted to point out.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Basu. Thank you. Who is next?
I am also in the same application, though my sequence is in the end, Milon. I may be also.
So in one eye only one counsel can argue. So your name is there in some other eye.
I just wanted to apprise this court that I am in the sequence in the end, Milon, though I am also representing few of the direct committee, the same application.
So
I wanted to.
insofar as one application is concerned, only one senior counsel can argue.
I am also there. Therefore, yesterday I said I am with him, Milon.
Okay,
That's what I said yesterday.
Your presence is marked.
Yeah.
What has happened is, my lord, there were 7 applicants. I continue with 4. 3 have gone to others.
That's the reason I said.
That's why he is coming out. 7 applicants originally.
You are not appearing for anybody from Punjab and Haryana.
No, Milord. For the timing, I am.
And
South only, Milord, but not so far.
So South has been.
I'm trying to, Milord.
that's all.
Thank you, Lord.
Yes,
May it please, Lord, I am appearing in IA number 260414 of 2025 for the direct recruits in Delhi. Now, my Lord, I have 3 or 4 submissions to make. I adopt what has already.
You have also shifted venue.
No, my Lord, actually, by the time the Punjab people came, I had already appeared for Delhi, so I could not appear for the other side in Punjab. But what I am submitting, I am going to submit. I am adopting what Mr. Dwivedi said and what has been argued earlier. But I have 2 or 3 particular submissions to make on one argument address, whether weightage of any sort is necessary to be granted or not. Second, on the roster system, which according to me is a very good system. It has not failed, but it has not been given a chance to operate properly. And my third submission is going to be on the quota, which cannot be granted. Much has been said. I just want to refer to 2 paragraphs. But before I come to that, Lord, please have my written submission, just 2-3 paragraphs to show that Delhi actually presents the other end of the spectrum, as which the learned amicus pointed to your lordships. It is volume 2, R1, page 1 to 9. 1 to 19.
So then what is the reason? If certain states, it's dominated by promoting, and if it's certain high courts, it is dominated by directs, then some rationalization would be in your benefit.
So my submission is going to be, my lord, that the 2002 judgment in para 30, while rejecting the argument of weightage, introduced a concept of roster. And para 30 weightage is rejected by saying roster will take care of it. Now, unfortunately, in the working of the roster, there have been 1 or 2 problems. And the main problem is the delay in the selection process of the direct recruits. On account of the delay in the selection process of the direct recruits, this roster could not work properly, because what then happens, and what has been following from your lordships, is promotee comes in, say, year 2007. process of direct recruitment also commenced in 2007. It is completed in 2009. By the time the direct recruit comes and then makes a claim that I should be given a seniority from 2007, it perhaps becomes a little too late in the day for it to be granted. And then your lordship's judgments have also leaned in favor of length of service. This is what happened in Delhi, in B.S. Mathur and the two earlier judgments, even though the rules had rota quota, but because of delay in direct recruitments, the court ultimately said, no, let it be length of service. But all that, I'm just wanting 5 minutes before that, please have this volume 2, R1, page 1 to 19. Now kindly have first internal page will be 2 and running page will be 4. There is a para 6. Your lordship got
The factual position.
factual position in Delhi is just 2-3 paras. I'm not going to dwell much on. The factual position in Delhi is that promotees far outnumber the direct recruits in the post of principal district judge, since out of 12 posts of principal district judges, 9 were promotees and 2 were direct recruits. Please turn over the next page, my lord. These first column is direct and then promotee. So there are 4 direct in 2022, 7 promotees. And if your lordship will go down the chart, my lord, in January 25, there was no direct principal district judge. And now there are 2 and 9 are promotees. Now please have para 7. The factual position in Delhi is also that during the period 20 to 25, 17 judges from the district judiciary were elevated to the Honorable High Court of Delhi, out of which 15 were promotees and only 2 were direct recruits. Then, my lord, we have said the situation in some other state also remains the same. Of course, your lordship has a much better chart given by the amicus, which Mr. Dwivedi read. Those 13 states, I don't need to read it again. He has given that better chart. Now, my lord, as so far as age is concerned also, if your lordship will come to page 6, running page 6, para 10.